Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'll show you to fix the issue where your device is saying can't connect to Bluetooth speaker. All right. So here we have a Bluetooth speaker. It doesn't really matter the type, even if these are headphones or of course earbuds, it'll still apply. All right. So the first thing I want to do here, guys, is to go ahead and show you the error. All right. So there's the Bluetooth speaker. And if we bring up the Bluetooth options here, and if this is the device, it says S7-1. You should know your device based on the name, or of course what the manual identify the device as. If I tap, it says here, it will take a while. Here you go. It says can't connect to the Bluetooth speaker. All right. Most times this is because it's already connected to something else. All right. So you can notice I have several other Bluetooth devices. These are TV sets. So if you had paired them to a TV set or something else in the house that's on, or any phone that's on and their Bluetooth is on, it will stop it from connecting. So it won't simply take over the device without first disabling those devices. All right, so it can only be paired to one device at a time. So what I suggest is that you turn off these other Bluetooth devices to fix the problem. All right, so let's try turning off the device and trying to pair to the device first. You can actually try that. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to turn this off. So turn off the device. All right, now that the device is off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to time the Bluetooth here and this here. So I'm going to start turning this on.
The Bluetooth
Then I'm going to
device
tap.
is ready to pair.
All right, notice it says connecting.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
All right, so here it says connecting. Now, of course, that wasn't fast enough. So notice it still says, it says can't connect. All right, so if that method doesn't work in trying to connect to it first, we're going to disable this particular device here that says the LG TV. So that's the main culprit. So I'm going to turn that off. All right, so guys, I've turned off the TV. I've also turned off any smartwatches, phones, or anything that might interfere. All right, one other thing to try, guys, is to make sure go back to the last device that you had on that was paired to um, the the speaker, the Bluetooth speaker. All right. So if you're not sure, just simply turn every device off except the main device you want to connect. All right. If you know which device is actually connected, you can go to that device and turn it off. In my case, I had my smartwatch connected, so of course that was the culprit. All right. So again, you can go back. You can swipe down. You can go here, and as you can see here, um, it shows the device. I'm going to simply go ahead and tap.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
All right, so you see now it's connected successfully to the phone and it shows that the battery is 100% charged. All right, so as we said, quick tip is to check to see what devices are available. That includes TVs, turn them off. And of course, in the case of my smartwatch, it was connected to the smartwatch, so turn that off as well by going into settings and disconnecting the Bluetooth from my smartwatch. All right, so as you can see now, the error is gone. Another thing you can do as well, if you're getting that connection error, is to try to reboot the phone. Sometimes the system itself needs to be refreshed. And of course, as we said, turn off all the other devices in the house except the one that you want to pair to. Reboot the speaker itself. If there's a pairing button, go ahead and press the pairing button to pair, unpair. And of course, to put it into a mode where it is looking or blinking blue to indicate that it's searching or accepting connections. All right. So if you try all these things, it should fix that particular error that you just saw just now. So I do hope this was useful in helping you to troubleshoot why your device cannot connect to the speakers, or it will not connect unless it's in pairing mode. And if it's already paired, it will fail to connect to any new device until you unpair on that device or you turn that device that it's currently connected to off. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.